In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM in just 5 minutes. If you're new to this platform or simply looking to streamline your CRM process, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. You'll be greeted by a colourful and intuitive homepage. From here, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a dotted square icon, which is essentially your gateway to the platform's versatile features. Hover over this icon where you'll see a drop-down menu display. From the available options, select CRM. This is where the magic begins. Once you've chosen CRM, it's time to dive in. Click on Get Started. If you're already a Google user, you can easily log in using the Continue with Google option. This seamless integration not only saves time but also keeps your credentials secure. Follow the prompts and select the email address you wish to associate with your Monday.com account. This helps ensure that all your CRM activities are centralized and accessible. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about your company. This setup phase is crucial as it tailors the CRM to better fit your organizational needs. Enter the necessary details, and whenever you're ready to move on, simply click Continue. This will apply to every page you encounter in this process. You want to keep things moving efficiently, right? Now here's a step to consider. You have the option to invite your colleagues straight away, or if you prefer, you can opt to remind me later. This flexibility allows you to tailor your onboarding process as suits your team. Connecting your calendar is the next task at hand. Linking your Google or Outlook calendar ensures that your schedule is always organized and in sync with your CRM activities. Choose the account you want to connect and you're set. As we proceed, you'll now need to name your contacts board. Think of this as the foundation where all your contacts will be stored and managed. Once you're satisfied with your board's name, click on Next. It's now time to link any tools or accounts you will be using. This might include email services, project management apps, or other software that your team relies on. Select the appropriate options and click Next once more. Now you're at the stage where you can set up your contacts and groups. This is where your data organization truly comes into play. Take some time to ensure that everything meets your requirements, then click on Finish. With that done, you'll find yourself on the CRM dashboard. Here, you have a complete overview of your CRM environment. On the left side of your screen, you'll see different boards you can set up, customizing each to fit your workflow perfectly. And there you have it, you're now ready to master Monday.com CRM. Explore, customize, and make the most out of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.